You can turn your paint stirrer into a place to display Christmas crafts, jewelry, or items that you need around the house. We're going to just use cork. You could use a knob, and since we're using cork instead of the knob, I'll put these little gems on the end. We'll just hot glue the cork, and then we'll put a gem on top. And you already have a peg. So you'll space out the pegs the way you want them, and once you're all set, you'll have a great way of hanging jewelry or Christmas ornaments or just things you need around the house like your keys. And you're done. For this craft, this is a styrofoam that came in a package, a little bit of cardboard, and duct tape. And you could do any combination of colors. I plan on adding a full row of this, these are tissue paper flowers, to the bottom, but I wanted to show you how it looks before I do that. And for the back, I just hot glued some cardboard, made a little hook out of a paper clip, and this could be used to tie it. Or I may take this off and just tie it directly to the wall, or just lean it against a table. So I will do an update on this video. It doesn't have to be perfect. If you want, you could always measure things out, but I kind of like things freehand. To me, it looks a little bit more rustic and more crafty, like I like my projects. Don't be afraid to use things you already have that you might not use. This was a wine rack that I got for a very inexpensive price that will ultimately become a place to display jewelry. I can put it on this side, or I can put it this way. But it's a great way of repurposing something that you aren't currently using.
Okay.
This is a great idea to organize your crafts or supplies you use. So you have your glue, you have your tissue paper. These are crafts that I used in a previous video. I made a little display out of the top of this popular item. You have little things that you may need. And this way you have it easy to grab and search for it without going all over. So this is a quick and easy way of displaying things. I also think this is a good, if you have children, and you can give them a row each so they can organize their things like their crayons, markers, and other things they might need. This last tip I got from a fellow YouTuber who decided to use this detergent or fabric softener bottle to water plants, and they used a hot needle just to stick holes in the top so that it can pour. I'm sure there are other ideas that can come from using these types of things, but the whole purpose is to figure out ways that you can recycle things, reuse them, and repurpose them for other projects. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.